Hello dear customers! Now we want you to show how to make Dropbox backup from an external hard drive. We will make an incremental backup of some photos to a Dropbox account. Insert a USB drive containing your photos into a PC. Open Handy Backup and create a new backup task. Please turn Advanced Mode on. Now go to step 2 and select Backup Data with the computer plugin. Here is a folder containing some photos. Mark all its content for backup in the Data Selection window. Click OK. Go to step 3 and select Dropbox as a storage. Click on to Create a connection, and in the connection dialog, click a button on the center. You will see a browser window with a Dropbox login page. After entering login data and completing a captcha, you will enter into Dropbox. Allow Handy Backup using Dropbox as a data storage. Close the browser window and return to Handy Backup. Click OK. Now, click on a new connection name and create a new folder inside your Dropbox account. Select this folder as a backup storage and click OK. Proceed to step 4. On this step, in the advanced mode, you can choose between full and partial backup, as well as organize the mixed full and partial backup in a rotating cycle. Now select Incremental Backup. This type of backup creates a full copy firstly and then saves only data modified after the last backup. You can set up a file comparison methods here. In addition, you can also select options for keeping backup versions, using timestamps and handling errors. Click Next to leave this page. The next step allows you making zip compression of an entire backup to a single archive, file or separate archives for saving storage space. For incremental backup, you can compress files only separately. Go to step 6, that is a scheduler. Enable scheduling and select the Launch on USB option. The task will run every time you will insert a task-related USB device into a PC slot. After making a trigger, click Next. The step 7 allows running other software before or after a task and provides an option for notifying a specified user about task running and results by an email. Skip this step for now. On the final step 8, enter a name for your task. You can see all task parameters here to accept or return for some steps back and reconfigure. Click Finish. The task will run automatically. Wait until a message about success will appear. Now open the Dropbox account. You can find a new folder selected for backup and the subfolder named after your task inside. Open the 0 folder inside. In the backup files subfolder, you will find copies of your photos in the native formats. You can copy, modify, or even delete these files without recovery. The 0 folder contains a first version of your full and incremental backup. If you have selected versions, backup on step 4, each different version will be at subfolder with a name 1, 2, and so on. Used versioned backup when you need to keep some different copies of same photos. Let us test an incremental backup. Copy another photo to a USB source folder. Now remove the USB drive from a computer and insert it again. The task will run automatically, often with less time to complete than on the first start. Unless you add much more new files to an incremental copy compared with an original dataset. Receive a message about success and open the Dropbox Backup Photos folder again. You will see a new file along with existing file copies. We hope this video is useful for you. Please follow us on YouTube and social networks to see more actual videos and useful content. See you soon!